Unsure where to start with content marketing? Ready to unlock its secrets and supercharge your brand online? Our Ultimate Beginner's Guide has got you covered in 5 simple tips. Tip 1. What is content marketing? It's about creating captivating content like blog articles, social media posts and videos to boost your brand's online visibility. Tip 2. Why care about content marketing? In today's digital world, content is your secret weapon to connect with customers, whether you're a small startup or a giant in the industry. Tip 3. Content marketing versus content strategy. They may sound similar, but content marketing is about creating and sharing content, while content strategy is the master plan behind it all. Tip 4. Real-world success stories. Discover how Canva, Apple, and IKEA leveraged content marketing to achieve remarkable results on our blog. Tip 5. Final content tips. As we wrap up, remember, consistency, customer insights, learning from successes, failures, and infusing your unique perspective lead to content success. For more, visit our blog,